As a child, I feared Flatbridge because of so many accidents and deaths that have occurred there. With the most recent tragedies, I decided to delve a bit further into its history. Flatbridge is located in the parish of St. Catherine across the Rio Cobre. It is considered one of the oldest bridges in Jamaica. There is not enough information to say what year it was built. However, it was more than likely built after 1724. In the book History of Jamaica, printed in 1774, Edward Long wrote, "This bridge is flat and composed of planks on frame of timber, which rest upon two piers and buttresses, projecting from the banks, constructed with piles and braces interlaced with masonry." At the time of construction, there were 16 plantations within Bog Walk. Each plantation sent one slave out of every 50 to work on the bridge. Many of the slaves lost their lives while working in and around the dangerous gorge. Folklore linked to the bridge are as follows. Residents within the area believe that the bridge is haunted by these dead slaves and that they are the reason for the many accidents. Legend has it that whenever the water turns green, that's when the duppies are active and someone will be pulled into the water. It is also believed that the bodies of each slave that died was used within the foundation of the pillars. Legend also has it that mermaids, or river mummers as we call them in Jamaica, live below the bridge and that they're the reason for all the deaths in the area. In some tales, she also appears when the water turns green. The final lore I could find in relation to Flatbridge is that of the Golden Table, which is said to surface at noon when the day is hot. In the book Tales of Old Jamaica, the author Clinton Black wrote of 6 slaves and 24 bulls that drowned trying to fetch the table at the behest of their master. After its construction, the floor of the bridge was destroyed sometime between the periods of 1881 and 1951. It was later replaced with buckle plates and iron girdles that were retrieved from the Maypen Bridge. This was apparently an improvement on the original flooring. Eventually, rails were placed on the structure, first metal in the 1930s, and then wooden sometime later, but they were both destroyed by the force of the Rio Cobre. So unfortunately, all that remains now are semicircular mounds that offer no real meaningful protection. And that's probably why so many accidents happen in the area. So be careful when driving over Flatbridge, and if you can, please take another route.